So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Meta put options here in Canada, ticker symbol META here on Wealthsimple. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple account. Once you're here, make sure you go into the bottom and press on the magnifying glass or the Discover tab. At the bottom left here, then at the top, go to where it says Discover. Right below that it says Search, press on Search, and type in ticker symbol META for Meta. So as you can tell, two options down is what we're looking for. So Meta with the options in the purple right there, Meta Platforms Incorporated on the NASDAQ market. Go ahead and press on that. Go ahead, press on Buy, and then press on Options. Now, if you wanted to buy Meta put options in Canada, it's super simple. At the top where it says, I believe that Meta will rise by, go ahead and press on where it says rise, and actually go ahead at the bottom and press on put option. What this will do is it'll now change it to a put option, and it should say Meta will fall by. And if you want to change the expiry date, go to where it says September 29th, press on that, and change the expiry date to whatever date you're looking for in the future. Now, if you want to go in the money, there's a bunch of different in the money options right here. If you want to go out of the money, a bunch of different out of the money options right here. Whatever option you choose, just go ahead and press that. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and go, how about we go strike price of $300 USD in the money right here. And if you wanted to confirm this purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Meta put options here in Canada, ticker symbol META or Meta here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.